Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Thunderbird Calendar. If you've noticed that your dates aren't displaying the way you prefer, whether it's switching between formats like month/day/year or day/month/year, this quick adjustment will help you customize it to match your needs. Here's something important to understand before we begin. Thunderbird doesn't have its own built-in date format settings within the application itself. Instead, it follows your operating system's locale settings. This means we'll need to make the change through your Windows settings, and Thunderbird will automatically adapt to whatever format you choose. Let's walk through how to do this. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up your Start menu with a search bar. In that search bar, type Region Settings. You'll see an option appear that says Region Settings or Regional Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the settings panel where you can control how dates, times, and other formats appear across your entire system. Once you're in the Region Settings window, look for a section labeled Regional Format. This is the key area where Windows determines how dates and times are displayed on your computer. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu directly underneath the Regional Format label. Click on that drop-down menu to see all the available format options. In this drop-down, you'll find a variety of regional formats from different countries and languages. Each one has its own way of displaying dates. For example, English United States typically shows dates as month/day/year, while English United Kingdom displays them as day/month/year. Browse through the list and select the format that suits your preference. Once you've found the right one, click on it to apply the change. Now that you've changed your regional format, the adjustment has been made at the system level. However, Thunderbird needs to refresh in order to recognize this change. If Thunderbird is currently open, go ahead and close it completely. Then reopen the application. If it wasn't open, simply launch Thunderbird now. Once it loads, navigate to your calendar view and you should immediately see that the date format has updated to match the regional setting you just selected. And that's it. Your Thunderbird calendar will now display dates in the format you've chosen, making it easier and more intuitive for you to manage your schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.